Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not it's free to withdraw money from Wealthsimple. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to answer it. But before I do, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple is and why you might want to use it. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services, including Wealthsimple Invest. This is a robo-advisor that helps you build a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Wealthsimple Trade. This is a discount brokerage platform that allows you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple Cash. This is a high-interest savings account. Wealthsimple is a great option for people who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest their money. They offer a variety of products and services that are designed to meet the needs of different investors. So, is it free to withdraw money from Wealthsimple? The answer is yes, it is free to withdraw money from Wealthsimple. There are no fees associated with withdrawing money from your Wealthsimple account. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Withdrawal limits. There may be limits on how much money you can withdraw at a time. Processing time. It may take a few days for your withdrawal to process. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about withdrawing money from Wealthsimple. You can withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account at any time. You can withdraw money to your bank account or to a credit card. You can withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account using the Wealthsimple app or website. So, there you have it. It is free to withdraw money from Wealthsimple. If you're considering using Wealthsimple, I encourage you to do your research and make sure that it's the right investment platform for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial content. I'll see you next time.